Welcome to MT Paradise. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the little knob cover on your Lexus IS. And I'm going to be adding on like a little piece of carbon fiber, which is going to look really good on the car because the middle section is just kind of silver. I'm also going to be covering up a little piece on the steering wheel with this carbon fiber piece as well. This is real carbon fiber and it's actually really thin, but you just use a little bit of double-sided tape and slap it on. It's going to make your car look so much better on the inside. But in the description down below, I'm going to have links to pretty much this piece and the other little piece, so you guys can hop onto Amazon and pick these up. A lot of good reviews, and in this video, I'm going to show you if it's actually legit or not. So if you guys want to pick up some of these, definitely check out the link in the description down below. But let me go ahead and get started with the install. But the one piece is actually going to be covering up this silver right here. It's just going to kind of slide up underneath the edge of your airbag and then under the edge of these. So I have like a little tiny a little tuck tool I'm going to be able to use to kind of lift up the edge of this so that it slips under. I'm going to have a double-sided piece of tape right here. And then the other one is this little shift knob. So there's a little silver on top. Mine is actually starting to peel a little bit on the edge, so that's why I got the carbon fiber. But I'm going to show you guys how to replace this. It's super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to put your hand on the front and back. I've already kind of loosened it a little bit, but you're going to kind of grab on the front and back. Sometimes it might take both hands, but you're just going to wiggle it and push straight down, and then that's going to cause this to pop free. And then you're just going to just kind of push it down out of the way. And then you're just going to unscrew this just like an old school shift knob. You guys can honestly put any kind of shift knob on here, but it does have like the little trim that comes down that this can kind of hook onto. So it gives a nice, good, clean look. But now that this is off, we can go ahead and take the little piece of carbon fiber. And the way this goes in is so simple and easy. It's just going to essentially just slide right into place. That's just going to come right up over the top. And I'm going to put a little bit of double-sided tape underneath this top section. And then, as you see, I fingerprinted it, so I'm going to clean that off later. But that looks so good. But like I said, piece of double-sided tape on the top section. And then the bottom, it wraps around, so that's definitely held into place. It's all one piece. So then, just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead, screw that back on. And then that'll slide right back up and pop into place. So now your shift knob looks super cool. You got carbon fiber in your car, and then for my case, I had the edge of the silver peeling a little bit. But yeah, now there's carbon fiber. And then for the steering wheel, I'm going to put a piece of double-sided tape right here across the back. And then this will essentially slide right into there. And it's just going to kind of go up underneath the edge of that. So then I'm just gonna wiggle it in there, just kind of slides right up under the edge of those. And then, like I said, I'm going to put tape back here, but that'll go on and sit just like that. So now you can have carbon fiber on your shift knob and carbon fiber on your steering wheel, and it definitely improves the look of the interior, which I think it looks really cool. There's other kits where you can get carbon fiber to cover all of this gray, some carbon fiber to cover like the black panels, and then more to cover up here. I don't know if I'm going to do all that, but I'm also going to put links in the description of all the other things. So if you guys want to pick up all the trim pieces, you guys can definitely go down, check out those links. But there's also going to be a link for the steering wheel and the shifter. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. And if this helped you out, definitely comment below and let me know, because I love to hear feedback. Positive, negative, I try to read everything, and I do try to respond to every single message I get. But subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. We'll be doing a lot more stuff with my new Lexus. Like I'm going to be wrapping it soon, which means I'm going to be taking off a lot of stuff, possibly the little antenna, the side mirrors, a bunch of other stuff. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you can see all the upcoming videos that will be coming soon to this channel. Also, a lot of other crazy car videos. So definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.